Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a haul to share with you guys. First I'm going to share what I picked up from Target. It's just two things. I saw a couple of you haul this and I was like, oh my goodness, I want one. And they only had like a handful left, and I think that was only because they had it on an end cap on the opposite end of the aisle. So I got one of these gingerbread mugs and I want to use it to drink my hot cocoa. I just love it. They had the girl and the boy, but I just wanted the girl. And it's awesome because it is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. So that is awesome. But isn't she adorable? So love her. And she was a good price point also. And then I got lucky enough to find one of these snow globes, and I found her in white. I don't know why I'm calling it a her, but anyway. So I got this glass snow globe, and I picked up one of those. So that's all I picked up from Target this time. Then I went to Mercari, and I found two dies that I liked, and I made an offer and they accepted. So I paid $9 a piece for these. I got the Christmas Minis by Tim Holtz. So I was happy to get these. And then I got the Christmas Cookies by Tim Holtz. And I have been wanting both of these sets, so really happy about that. And then the lady threw in some ephemera, and that was really sweet of her. So she threw in, you know, some nice stuff. Look at that Santa. I think he is so stinking cute. And then some snowflakes of all different. She threw in quite a few snowflakes. So I got all that. So that was fun. And then I did some hauling from eBay, and I got some good stuff. So I am in love with these. Okay, this one, or they're from Stamps Happen Inc. This one is called Camellia. Loves to bring flowers as a gift. Her generosity makes spirits lift. And here she is. And she was used, but you can barely even tell. At least that's how she was written, used. It doesn't look like it, but isn't she adorable? I want to collect all of these. I think they are so beautiful. And then in that same lot, I had got Buttercup. And it says, Buttercup daydreams for hours and hours, hidden beneath the tall yellow flowers. And here she is. And then there's a little ladybug down here, the flowers, the buttercups. So pretty. And again, it looks brand new, but it said used. So I got her. And then I found this My Creative Time die for a really good price, and it's brand new. And it's scalloped stitched Ovalts dies. So happy about that one too. And then for my score. So for about 2 years almost now, I have been on the hunt for polka doodles. Specifically the retired ones. And I finally got lucky. So they had this. So they had the Polka Doodles Winnie Time for Tea Designer Card Making Collection. Okay, so it was this box. and the box comes with quite a bit. So some of it was used, which was fine and dandy. But it also, she was selling in the lot 12 polka doodles. Okay, to make the deal even sweeter, she was asking around almost $70 for it. But she had make an offer. And I was watching for almost a week. And so finally, I just put in an offer. And let's just say I got a really, really good deal. So, let me show you what I got. She only used 3 of these stamps, and the rest were brand new. So I got this one right here, which is Just For You, Winnie. She is adorable. Okay, then I got Terrific. And like I said, I have been looking for years, like 2 years now, for these. And I feel so blessed that I found them. And I didn't find them doing LDRS, I found them doing the search polka doodles. So if you're looking yourself, that's what I would do. Do both LDRS creative and do polka doodles. This one's Teacup Full of Wishes. She is so cute in that cup. On that saucer with the spoon, oh my gosh. And the little tea bag is her bag. That is so adorable. I think I'm gonna use this one first. Okay, then I got Time for Tea. So far, all of these were brand new. Then I got Winnie Fairy Sparkle. Cute. I love the bear and her little wand. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Pick Your Own Tea. She's so big. This one is awesome. Isn't that cute? Look at her big, enormous hat and bow. And all the pots are the flowers. This next one is Winnie's Gifts Galore. Brand new too. Winnie's Scrummy Cupcake. Okay, this one was used. This is Winnie's Rose Garden. And I'm sending this one to a friend of mine because I have this one. It was given to me by my friend Leah, who is Bay Window. And this one is Tea for Two. And this one was used, but I got her really clean. And this one is Butterfly Winnie. And I got her pretty clean too. I left a piece of what do you call it? I don't even know right now. I brought the cake, and this one was brand new. I love her hat and her hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, now let me show you what came in the kit in this box. Well, I think she added some stuff to it. So I got envelopes 6x6 and card bases 6x6. I don't even know how many's in here. I gotta count them, but there are quite a few. So I got those. Then I got a ton of doilies. Aren't they cute? Then I got these little sentiments that say, come and share a cup of tea. My home is warm and my friendship's free. Tea and cake and my best friend's face. Take a moment. Best wishes. Tea makes everything better. 2 spoonfuls of wishful thinking. Tea? Let's catch up. Have a wonderful day. Just for you. Hello. Let's have a talk. Let's have tea and talk about happy things. Great things happen over a cup of tea. You, me, and a lovely cup of tea. Happy birthday. A hug in a cup. It's always tea time somewhere, and you're a wonderful friend. And tea makes everything better. Tea-rific. And there's 3 sheets of this. Then I got all of this paper here. And it is just beautiful. Look at the flamingos. That's like my favorite bird. I love this paper. Look at the cups. That's so cute. Butterflies. Okay, so I got that. And then I got this paper here, and it's the same piece, and I can't tell you how many are in here. Wait, let me see if that's everything that's in here, because I see like a divider. Yeah, there's 2 pads in here of the same thing. There's a lot in here. So it's this one. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh, this paper is cute. Okay, then I got this paper pad. It's called Winnie Sugar Blossom. It's really pretty too. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay. And then I got this pad of paper. It's called Time for Tea, and it is gorgeous. I think it's the same as that other one I showed you, because there's the flamingos. So I might have 2 packs of that. And lastly, I got this. And there are a ton in here. And they're different. Let's see if I can get it out without them all popping out. Oh, some just popped out. Okay, so let's check them out. Let me see, how many do you get the same? Sorry guys. So you get 3 of each, it looks like. So there's this one. There's that one. So cute. Yeah, 3 of each. That is adorable. Oh wait, one more. No, that's different. Yeah, that's different. Okay, there's that one. Look how tiny she is. So cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, these keep getting cuter and cuter. Oh, look at the flamingos. Oh, so cute. Okay, I think that's it, because this is where that one popped out. Yep, that's it. So that's all I have for you guys. I just wanted to show you my awesome deal and all my other goodies. So I hope y'all have an amazing weekend, guys. I love you guys. Bye.